All right, so let's knock out a few of your homework problems for tonight. Okay, number one, x is greater than -1. Remember, x is a vertical line, so we're going to go to -1. And we're going to draw a vertical line. It is dotted. Okay, and greater than means we're going to shade to the right. Okay, and then we have y is less than or equal to -3, so I'm going to go to -3 on the y-axis. Solid line. And it is less than, so we're going to shade below. And remember, your answer is where your two colors overlap, which is this little rectangle down in the bottom right corner. Okay, number 3, I skipped number 2. I'm basically doing the odd problems from your homework. Okay, so there were only 9 problems. That only leaves you with 4 that you're going to have to do on your own. Okay, so I'm going to start at +3. Okay, and then I'm going to go up 1 and right 1. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing in the down and left direction just so I have a better line. Okay, it is dotted. Okay, and it is greater than, so we would shade above. Okay, the second line is going to be a horizontal line at y is less than or equal to -1. So I'm going to go down to -1. And then I'm going to make a solid line here. Okay, and less than means below. So again, you will see my overlap is this little triangle over here. Just make sure you shade that darker. Okay, number 5, both of these need to be rearranged first. Okay, so I'll start with the first one. X needs to come over and it's going to become negative, so y is less than or equal to -x minus 1. So I start at -1 and then go down 1 and over 1. Okay, and that is a solid line. And less than means we shade below. Okay, for the second one, y is going to be greater than or equal to -x plus 3. So I'm going to start at 3. And again, it's a -x. Now, you will notice that these have the same slope, so that does result in parallel lines. Okay, the second one is greater than, so I'm going to shade above. Well, if you notice, I don't have anywhere that it overlaps at all. My colors do not connect anywhere. They don't overlap. They don't intersect. It doesn't do anything there. Nowhere do I see both the pink and the blue. So my answer here is actually no solution. There is nowhere that those colors intersect. Okay, second one, or sorry, number 7. I'm going to start here at +1, and I'm going to go up 1 and right 1. That is a dotted line, and it is greater than, so we shade above. The second one, I'm going to start at +1, but it's a -1/1 slope, so we're going to go this way. It's a solid line, and it is also greater than, so it's going to be above, which makes my answer this little triangle right in here. And the last one that I'm going to do for you is number 9. So I'm going to start with the +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I cannot go up 2 and right 1, but I can go down 2 and left 1. Okay, and that's going to be a dotted line. And less than means below. Okay, and then the second line, I'm going to start at +1. I'm going to go up 1 and right 1. So solid line. Greater than means above here. So they overlap right here in this little teeny tiny triangle in here. Okay, so I have done 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. You're responsible for 2, 4, 6, and 8. You do have a quiz on single inequalities tomorrow. So make sure you're prepared for that. Not 2, but 1. You'll only be graphing 1 on a graph.